Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the PUBG mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your existing account within this game. So let's get started right away. When you open up the PUBG mobile game on your device, you will be taken into your homepage within the account that you have already logged in with. Now, if you wish to delete your account in any case, then in order to do this, tap on the More options at the bottom right corner. From here, go into Settings, and now make sure that you are within the account page. Inside this page, you can find the Delete Account button at the bottom section. There are various other options apart from deleting your account. You can log out and continue to play without logging into any account if you wish to do so. But if you want to delete your account permanently, you can tap on the Delete Account option, and you will be prompted whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. The Delete Account button will not appear for about 10 seconds so that you have time to read the message. If you are sure that you want to delete your account, you will need to tap on Delete Account. You may be asked to provide the confirmation if you have secondary verification enabled, which means you may need to verify by tapping on a link within your email. Once you verify your account deletion, you will be logged out from your account on the PUBG mobile game, and your account will be permanently deleted in 30 days. If you log back in using the same login method before 30 days has passed, then your account deletion will be cancelled. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the PUBG mobile game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.